If Cash App won't let you unlock your card, it could be due to various reasons such as security issues, app glitches, or account restrictions. Here's how you can fix it. Check for account restrictions. Ensure your Cash App account is verified. If your account is flagged for suspicious activity or violates Cash App's policies, your card may remain locked. Contact Cash App support to resolve any issues. Ensure sufficient balance. If there are insufficient funds in your Cash App balance or pending transactions, your card may be restricted. Add funds to your account and try unlocking your card again. Update the Cash App. Ensure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store to check for updates. Restart your device. Restart your phone or tablet to clear temporary glitches that may be preventing the card from unlocking. Manually unlock the card. Open Cash App, tap the card icon, toggle the unlock card switch. Contact Cash App support. If the issue persists, reach out to Cash App support via the app's help section or on their official website.